Tired of dealing with weak, brittle hair that just won't grow past a certain point? The Grow Long Restoring Anti-Breakage Mask from Marc Anthony is designed to change that. Packed with caffeine, ginseng, and hydrolyzed keratin, this deep conditioning treatment doesn't just smooth your hair's cuticles. It strengthens and softens from the inside out. What you get is hair that feels healthier, looks longer, and resists breakage, even if your strands have been damaged by color or heat styling. I've tried countless hair masks over the years, but this one really stands out. After just a few uses, my hair felt noticeably softer and more manageable. The mask's unique blend of ingredients works to restore elasticity and reinforce hair strength, which is key when your strands get older and more fragile. The addition of avocado and argan oils adds a boost of hydration, leaving hair shiny without feeling greasy. Plus, the fresh scent is a nice bonus, nothing overpowering, just clean and pleasant. Using it 2 to 3 times a week alongside the matching shampoo and conditioner made a visible difference in my hair's texture and resilience. If you're ready to stop hair breakage in its tracks and start growing longer, stronger locks, this mask is worth a look. It's suitable for all hair types and free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalate, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. Just apply generously to wet hair after shampooing. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For the best results, pair it with the full Grow Long collection. If that's you, someone who wants healthier, longer hair without the hassle, try it when you're ready.